Thermochemistry Extra Practice Example number 6. Here it wants to know delta H when this occurs related to this reaction. First thing we have to do is establish, does this description show this in the forward or reverse position? So we're looking for some keywords. For instance, reacts. Well, what's reacting? In this example, carbon dioxide reacts. So it says 45.67 grams of what? Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide reacts. Okay, so we need to look at this and say, does this show carbon monoxide reacting? And it does not. It shows carbon dioxide reacting and producing carbon monoxide. So in order to react carbon monoxide, we'd have to reverse the reaction, send it the other direction. I always like to put this down as I'm thinking about that I have to think about this reaction in reverse. If I reverse the reaction, remember that we changed the sign for the delta H. So we're going to start with our 4567. So 4567 grams of carbon monoxide. Let me fix that. That says cobalt. Let's try carbon monoxide there. Carbon monoxide, 4567 grams of carbon monoxide. Can get rid of grams with the periodic table because this is a relationship. Remember, this is our ins. These numbers are our ins. These coefficients can be set as a ratio. Either any of them can be set as a ratio to our overall delta H. So I am going to have to get to moles because these numbers in front are moles. So I'm in grams, so in order to get to moles, I'm going to use the periodic table number to go from grams to moles. And then I'm going to be able to use the relationship of 5 moles of carbon monoxide is equal to negative 2024 kilojoules of heat. Why is it negative? Because I reversed it. If it would have stayed forward, this would have been a positive, but because carbon monoxide is not reacting in the forward position, in order to show carbon monoxide reacting, I'd have to reverse it. When I reverse something, I change the sign. So now we're going to go through all the math, multiply numbers across the top, multiply numbers across the bottom, and divide, and we get this as our final answer.